Chile 09 Heavy, hold southeast of fighter as published until advised. Maybe one, possibly two turns and holding.
Okay, Chile 09, we are entering holding now and we'll expect one or two turns and holding.
Fade 2, San Antonio departure, ident. Faded 2, departure ident observed. Your radar contact 3 miles to southeast of Kelly Air Force Base. Maintain 5,000 for traffic east of you. Chile 09 Heavy is cleared tack and runway 34 approach Kelly.
Chile 09, we are cleared the taxi and 34 circle at Kelly.
Faded 02, turn left heading 110, climb and maintain 11,000. Hey, 0 Echo, descend and maintain 6,000, traffic no factor, you're 4 miles out ahead.
Descend and maintain 6,000, 80 Echo.
Faded 02, turn left heading 040. Faded 02, you're clear direct churn when able, join your route. King Air 80 Echo, contact approach on 125.1, good day.
125.8, thank you.
Oh, 125.1, 25.1.
125.1, thank you.
San Antonio approach is Golden Eagle X-ray Bravo, Hotel Romeo Juliet with you, leaving 9,700 for 6,000. Got information, Tango on board.
X-ray Bravo Delta Romeo Juliet San Antonio approach, welcome. Expect the visual approach to runway 13 right.
Okay, I'll expect the visual for runway 13 right, Delta Romeo Juliet.
Faded 02, climb and maintain 13,000. Chile 09, our heavy contact, Kelly Tower. After completion of the approach, it's going to be Fiesta, this frequency.
All right, Fiesta, actually, on this we're just going to stick with Tower for Chile 09.
Okay, no problem. Disregard that. Contact Kelly Tower.
Go into Kelly Tower. Thanks for your help. See you in a bit.
Yeah. 76 Yankee approach 125.1.
25.1, 76 Yankee, good day.
See ya.
And approach 414 Lima Lima, any chance for lower?
414 Lima Lima, contact approach 125.1. He'll have lower for you here in just a few moments.
25-1, 414 Lima Lima, later.
Alpha.
San Antonio approach, good morning, November 414 Lima Lima, 6,000.
500.
November 414 Lima Lima, San Antonio approach, welcome.
And Lima Lima, any chance we couldn't have lower?
Number 4, Lima, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, 414 Lima Lima. And we'll take the left side, 414 Lima Lima.
Southwest 3879, turn left heading 155, join the localizer, report the airport and site when able.
Left 155, join localizer, field inside, Southwest 3879.
South 3879, clear visual approach, runway 13 right, contact San Antonio Tower, good day.
Cleared visual 13 right, go to tower, Southwest 3879.
November 80 Echo, descend and maintain 3,000, flighting 340.
3,000, 340, 0 Echo.
San Antonio 76 Yankee with you, 5,500.
November 6076 Yankee, San Antonio approach, welcome.
Approach American 2886, level 6,000.
American 2886, San Antonio approach, welcome.
Thank you.
And Cessna 91 Alpha, flighting 325. Vectors for traffic that'll be passing from behind over the top out of 6,000 feet.
91 Alpha to 325.
November 80 Echo, turn right, heading 040.
040, 0 Echo.
Number 76 Yankee, flighting 360, descend and maintain VFR 3,500.
060, 3,500 VFR, 76 Yankee.
Number 76 Yankee, it was 360.
360, roger.
King Air 80 Echo, turn right, heading 090, and report the airport and site when able.
090, airport inside.
King Air 80 Echo, clear visual approach, runway 13 right, maintain 170 knots until a 5-mile final, and contact San Antonio Tower, good day.
Roger, maintain 170 at the speed, and contact tower, have a good day.
American 2886, turn left, heading 260.
260, heading American 2886.
American 2886, traffic of Cessna about 2 miles off your nose on a 325 heading at 5,000 feet. You can expect lower once I get you starting your left-hand turn.
2886, roger.
St. Antonio approach 414 Lima Lima. We're going to take the left side if you need us to.
Before Lima, expect the left.
Expect the left, 414 Lima Lima, thanks.
American 2886, traffic no factor, descend and maintain 3,000, flight 250.
3,000 heading 250, American 2886.
November 76 Yankee, make a left turn, a left-hand turn, heading 100.
Left 100, 76 Yankee.
Number 4, Lima, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 414 Lima Lima.
Approach, citation 1960 Bravo is with you, 6, the airport's inside.
Station 1960 Bravo, San Antonio approach, roger. Traffic about 11 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, a regional jet level at 5,000.
We've got traffic inside, 60 Bravo.
American 2886, turn left heading 220.
Heading 220, 2886.
American 2886, turn left heading 155, join the localizer and report the airport when able.
155, join localizer, airport is inside, 2886.
Number 4, Lima, turn right heading 040.
040 in the heading, 414 Lima Lima.
American 2886, clear visual approach, runway 13 right, contact San Antonio Tower, good day.
Clear visual 13 right, 2886, to tower.
Cessna 91 Lima, correction 91 Alpha, turn left direct curval.
Turn left direct curve on 91 Alpha.
Number 60 Bravo, descend and maintain 4,000.
Yeah, the 4,000, 60 Bravo.
November 4, Lima Lima traffic, 1 to 2 o'clock, 4 miles, joining the final on an American 737 descending out of 3000.
Inside, 414 Lima Lima.
Before Lima Lima, roger, report the airport in sight, back around at your 2 o'clock and 7 miles.
We got that inside as well, 414 Lima Lima.
Before Lima Lima, roger, maintain visual separation from the Boeing 737, caution wake turbulence cleared, visual approach, runway 13 left.
Clear for the visual, 13 left, we look out for the traffic, 414 Lima Lima.
Cessna 76 Yankee, you're 5 miles from Alamo, present heading. Maintain 3000 to establish localized cleared ILS, 1 through right approach, maintain VFR, and best speed, correction, maintain maximum forward speeds as long as practical.
Roger, 3000, cleared ILS, runway 13 right, and max speed forward, 76 Yankee.
And November 76 Yankee, actually I'm going to have to hold you out a little bit longer. I got faster jets behind you. Turn, cancel your approach clearance, turn right heading 200, maintain VFR 3500.
200, 3500, 76 Yankee.
November 60 Bravo, turn left heading 220, descend and maintain 3000.
You're left to 220 down to 3000, 60 Bravo.
Number 76 Yankee to be south of Alamo, and then put you on the base leg from there in about 3 more miles.
Roger, 76 Yankee.
Number 4 Lima Lima, contact San Antonio Tower, good day.
Call tower, 414 Lima Lima, good day.
Okay, clear for takeoff 4 and runway heading, 9 Juliet, and it's 27-1 on departure, correct?
San Antonio Tower, November 414 Lima Lima, on a visual, 13 left.
American 2886, just to verify, steady, you're clear to land runway 13 right.
Clear to land 13 right, 2886, roger. And Tower 01, Mike Lima at Kilo for 13 right departure.
5 Mike Lima, San Antonio Tower, roger.
Okay, 3 green, no red. Props, mixtures, I'll leave them.
Number 9 Romeo Juliet, contact departure.
27-1, 9 Romeo Jets, yeah.
Skylane, correction, Kona 26, fly runway heading, runway 13 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, cleared for takeoff, 13 left, Kona 26.
414 Lima Lima, San Antonio Tower, runway 13 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 13 left, 414 Lima Lima.
Number 4, caution wake turbulence, 737, just touching down now on the right side. Lima Lima, just copy that wake turbulence?
Yeah, I thought it was for someone else. Yeah, we got, look out for the wake turbulence on the other side, 414 Lima Lima.
All right. American 2886, Delta Golf, Golf 3 to the gate.
Delta Golf to the gate, Golf 3 to the gate, American 2886.
Kona 26, turn right, heading 160 and contact departure.
160 over to departure, Kona 26.
San Antonio Towers, good afternoon, citation 1960 Bravo is on the visual, 13 right.
No, 115 Hotel, correction, Mike Lima, San Antonio Tower. Runway 13 right at Kilo, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, traffic 5 mile final.
Clear for takeoff and 13 right, fly heading 015 Lima.
November 1960 Bravo, San Antonio Tower, runway 13 right, clear to land, wind calm, traffic is a Cirrus departing priority arrival.
Okay, 13 right, clear to land, 60 Bravo, thank you.
You're welcome.
Traffic, traffic. Traffic, traffic.
San Antonio Tower, Life Team 134 just lifted from Texan about 5 miles south of the field with the uniform and Millionaire.
Life Team 97 San Antonio Tower, landing at Millionaire, be at your own risk, 160 at 3. Altimeter 3019er.
Landing Millionaire on risk, Life Team 134.
Tower 65 Papa Golf with you for 13 right.
Near 65 Papa Golf San Antonio Tower, runway 13 right, clear line number 2, final citation on a 3 mile final.
Clear line 13 right, 65 Papa Golf, number 2.
Ground 414 Lima Lima, taxi in customs.
6 Juliet Alpha, 13 left, taxi Romeo Alpha.
13 left, Romeo Alpha.
Ground 414 Lima Lima out of 13 left, going in customs.
44 Lima Lima, taxi to park.
Taxi to parking, Lima Lima, thanks.
Ground line 50 Lima, Sky Place, taxi with uniform.
50 Lima, 13 left, taxi via Romeo Alpha.
13 left, Romeo Alpha, 50 Lima.
80309, departure frequency is going to be 125.7, squawk 0473.